Hi gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I haven't made a video in about a week and a half. I did start a new position, a job outside of my own business, and so that's been keeping me busy. And I also had to wait for a new computer because I had to return my work computer, and that's the one that I was using before just because it was faster for me. And don't tell my previous employer that I was using their computer. And I would never recommend doing that. That would be wrong. But I did order a new computer, and I've never done an unboxing before. So I see those unboxing videos online all the time, and I'm always fascinated by them for whatever reason. So I thought I'd make my own, and I did pick up a Dell. It's a Dell XPS 8940, and then I have all the information right here. So I'm just reading off there, and then extreme close-up. So I'm going to do an unboxing today, and we'll set this up today, and we'll take a look at it and see all the goodies. All right, let's get going. Ooh, I feel like a kid on Christmas morning, sitting on the hard floor with my bad back. That should be good. So you got the Christmas wreath right there. So, all right. So we're going to see what's in this one. This is probably just peripherals, like I bought some speakers and, you know, usual shit stuff. Yeah, so that's probably all this stuff is. This base guy didn't get too crazy. Oh, these are headphones. So actually, these are good headphones. They only ran me about $15, if I recall. And the reason I purchased these is because these are the ones I use through work. And these are the ones I use all my videos. And they're fantastic. There's nothing wrong with them. They're inexpensive. They're fairly comfortable. And it's exactly what I want. So they're Califone. It's CALIFONE. And the part number is 3068. M as in Mary, U as in umbrella, S as in Sam, B as in Bravo. And they work really good. I like them. So I was using them through work. I had to return them once I got my new job. I had to return all my equipment back to work, and I just picked up a pair just like it, and I'm good to go. I didn't have to spend $100, $200 on headphones. I absolutely didn't need them. These work perfect. All right. What do we got here? Okay, these are just Logitech speakers. So these are Z150s. I have to recall, I think I only spent like $20, maybe $30 on these. I didn't get the really cheapy ones, but I didn't get the real expensive ones either. I don't need a good speaker system. I'm not gaming. I'm not watching really movies on there. The only reason I only need them is just to hear my videos and stuff like that. So I didn't want to spend too much money on those either. Just a general speaker. Looks pretty cool. It's got a nice design to it. It's very fancy, very modern. I'm sure those will work out. Those will work out fine. Wasn't too concerned on the speakers. And this one, I spent a little more on. This is the webcam. So this is VisionTek. Why did I get this webcam? There was really no rhyme or reason. It was kind of middle of the road. It wasn't too expensive, and it wasn't a cheapie. So that's all I need. It's actually better than the one I had through work. Now it's got a little cap on it. Look at that. It's got a little, I don't know, rubbery cap you can put over the front. And we'll be trying it out in just a minute, see how well that works. And yeah, that's very, very cool. All right, so that's all like the peripheral stuff, the odds and ends stuff. Hacking stuff. Okay, let's get into the meat and potatoes. So this is the actual power. Bring this over here a little bit. And just general crap. Nothing special here, just a mouse and keyboard. I didn't spend any money to purchase any type of like wireless keyboard or mouse or anything. I've never really needed any of that stuff. I mean, if you're into the bells and whistles like that, that's cool. But I don't know, all this stuff is fine. I'm low maintenance, as they say. So that's all the hardware for that. And it's a thing of beauty. Brings a tear to me eye. So the ones I've always had before are 8 RAM. My laptops are 4. They're slow as anything. And I had 8 RAM through the last computer that I had. So this is 16. I could have got 32. I'm going, well, 8 is almost fine. Hardly anything ever really slows down. I hardly ever freeze. So my thinking is, okay, 16 should be plenty to what I'm doing. Again, I'm not a gamer. I'm only doing videos, doing websites. I think 16 is going to be plenty. And of course, I can always go in and upgrade the RAM if I need to. And it's got a new processor in there. I think it's a, yeah, I'll tell you what the processor is in a bit. But yeah, here we are. And I'll try to aim this down a little farther. And let me see, we got, should have wore glasses. So we got the 3 USB ports and got a card for my video camera, or my LDSR, so I can put the card in there and take my pictures off there. We've got 4 more USB ports in the back and 2 more. I'm not sure what speeds they are. I'll have to look it up. And we got an HDMI and I forget what this is called. I forget what that port is called. But general stuff, nothing different. Just a few more USB ports that you would normally get. And I may have to do so I bought 2 monitors, so I might have to go out and get something for those or order it online. That's that. Put that over there. And then I picked up 2 monitors. These are both 27-inch. And honestly, I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough room on that desk for 2 monitors, but I'll think of something. And so let's get into this. So these are Dell monitors. Ooh! 27 inches. These are going to be pretty big. And let's rip her open here. Jeez. Pretty light. These are pretty light. Very nice. That baby's huge. That is huge. If I get 2 of these going, I'm going to be a happy guy, let me tell you. And let me see. In the back here. Okay. Okay, we got 2 HDMI, so I'm wondering if one hooks into the other. I'll have to look into that. I just got to put the base on there, and let's see what else is there. Holy crap. Cord. Okay, HDMI. And this has got to be the base. Yep, this looks like the base. And, no, this is actually the base. I'm not sure what the hell this thing is. I'll figure it out in a minute. And this must be the, yep, this is the, whatever you call it, the stand, I guess. Ooh. How to put it together. Oh, that's a lot better. Warranty. And that's it. Okay, so I bought 2 of those. Oop, I didn't mean to give you the finger. I bought 2 of those, and I'm going to get that out of there. I'm going to get all this boxes out of here, and then I'm going to we're going to start setting this up, see what it looks like. Okay, guys and gals, everything's taken out. Everything, all the boxes are downstairs. And here's all the parts. Now I just got to put them together and turn that baby on. So let's get to work. Okay. And it does say remove before use. So I don't know, some people keep this stuff on. I don't understand why they do that. They want to keep their stuff pristine. I want my stuff to look like it's been used, baby. So I'll get all this crap out of here. I want it to show I've been using this sucker. What do you think? Do you keep your plastic stuffy on? You're not really supposed to, I guess, but if you do, I don't judge. I don't judge you. Do. Of course, it's a pain in the butt to get off. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. It will never be that clean again. The dust will pile up, I'm sure. Okay, so if you've never set up a PC, which I can't imagine anyone has not who's watching this, that's where the cord goes. Get a little towel. Alright, we got our 2 monitors here. So let's figure out how to do this. The piece, imagine that slides in like that somehow. Oh, well that's stupid. Let's see here. Ooh, it's very stuck. Very stuck. Alright. Put them in like that. And it clicks in. Alright, and we've got here. And this, I'm assuming like this, maybe the other way. There we go. Very beautiful. And let's make sure we screw this in. As soon as I can get my fat fingers to, there we go. And we just screw it in like that. Oh, it's hotter than hell in here. And I don't do it too tough. Alright, number 2. Ooh, it's hot in here. Hot, 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 hot. Start taking my clothes off, babies. Next one. Babies. There. And we give it a nice screw. It's always good to get a nice little screw. Okay, there we go. Monitor number 2. So I think this is going to be okay. This is going to be just okay. Alright, that's going to be pretty amazing. That's pretty good right there. Looks good. Nice big monitors for my old eyes. Alright. Let's set everything else back. Set everything else up. I don't know, do you keep your ties? I just throw them out. Do you keep like all your packaging? That kind of seems weird. But I guess some people do. Some people are anal like that. Okay, so we got the speakers up there. Just make sure, total common sense, but the speaker with the power adapter, make sure it's closest to the power. Look at that mess down there. It's a fire hazard if I ever have seen one. Okay, so we got our speakers. We'll just put these up here for now. Our headsets, not our speakers. We'll just unravel this headset. I normally like to plug it in the front, just to the fact that I can unplug it and plug it back in without having to go behind the tower. It's personal preference. I'll see. I might put it in the back, but for now, we've got our camera. Okay, we've got our power cords. Hook those up to the monitor, and we've got our camera. This little thing keeps coming out, so I'll just put that back in. Throw out all this shit. And always have a bag handy. Have a garbage bag handy. Alright, I got my HDMI. I got my toe clippers doubling as my scissors. Alright. Got that. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so we're going to put in the keyboard, and we're going to put in the mouse. Okay, and we've got our camera. So let's screw this puppy. And for now, I'm just going to put my headphones here. And I like them in the front, just in case I want to take them out real quick for whatever reason. Reset or whatever. camera through here. And it's got a nice little hook there, so you can kind of anchor it right there. Okay, so this is pretty much the setup here, and I'm just going to clean up some wires, and we'll boot it up, and we'll see what happens. We'll fix what needs to be fixed. There we go. Oh, it turned off. It's one of those tricky ones. There we go. This wasn't quite plugged in enough. So here we go. So we'll go yes for English, and then we'll go yes for English. Okay. And then it says that the display will go into standby mode for 4 minutes. So okay, so we just have to go through the beginning. Yes. So it's just asking me if this region is the United States. We'll hit enter.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes. Yes.
Also type with another keyboard layout.
Skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and top videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
No. No.
Okay, how about this next one on the list?
Yes.
Now type your credentials.
Oh, okay. I'm going to type my credentials, and I will be right back. Okay, and we'll hit enter. Do you want to allow PC to be...
Accomplished. You're all linked up.
Okay, and we'll hit yes. And all right, we are connected. So let's hit next. Oh, we have to go down. Next. Well, wait, this monitor, I need to split these monitors, so I'm going to have to get something for it. Ooh, let's see what's new from Windows.
Next up, the legal stuff.
Alright.
In short, you'll need to select accept to use Windows.
I'm sure everyone reads all that.
You know, no Windows.
Alright, I just read very quickly.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
Okay. I'm going to create a pin. Yes. Create pin. Yeah, I'll just hit enter. Okay, I'm just going to turn this away while I create my pin. Oh, it's all locked out anyways.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select accept when you're ready.
So this looks okay. Find my advice, advertising, locations, fine. Yeah, that's all fine. Usually default is fine.
Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and websites, so you can keep doing what you were doing, even when you switch devices. Just choose yes to sync your activities.
So I definitely want to sync my activities.
Now let's link your phone and PC using a Microsoft app that can work some magic between your devices. We'll send you a text to get everything set up. Just type your phone number and press send.
Okay, I'm going to do all this, and I will be right back. Okay, so we're back on the PC here. That's all set with the app so far. So we're going to hit next or send.
A text with a link to install your first app is on its way to your phone.
Oh, we already did that.
Feel free to finish linking your phone and PC first. We can wait.
All right, we already did that. So I want to go next. Let's see if we can tab. Tab. Okay, we'll go next.
Want to automatically save files and photos to OneDrive for some added peace of mind?
Sure. Go next.
I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work.
Let Cortana respond to Hey Cortana. Sure, why not?
Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such.
Alright, well, I live in the US. And United States. Oops, not United Kingdom. I wouldn't mind living in the United Kingdom, but that's not where I live. Okay, next.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Alright. Once this is done, I'll get some more coffee. Hi. We're getting everything ready for you. This might take several minutes. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to put the phone down now. Actually, it needs a charge, and then we'll be back. Alright, we had a refill of coffee. Woohoo! And we're ready to proceed. So, oops, sorry. So this Dell screen comes up here, and we can explore. And warranty, system details. We can explore if we want. Welcome to Dell Mobile Connect. And I'll do this and we'll get started. And I have an Android interface. And enter phone encryption code. Down. Oh, say? Okay. Oh, say. Okay. So I got that. And they gave me a link to an app for my phone. So I'm going to hit that link. Okay, I'm going to install your phone companion. This is pretty cool. I never had to do this before, so it's been a while since I set up a Windows computer on my own. I mean, I had a work computer, but that was already set up for me. So this is pretty cool. It's all new, interesting. We'll just let that do its thing. I'm going to open. Okay, and is this your QR code on your PC? Is there a QR? Not that I see. So we'll sign into Microsoft, and I will put in that email address. Next. And I'll move this little, actually I don't need that little buddy anymore. And I will have to, alright, sign in. Next up, app permissions, we will continue. I'm going to allow this. Allow your phone companion to access, yep, that's fine. Allow your phone companion, that's fine. Continue. Exclude this app when saving battery. This may drain the battery faster. Yeah, that's fine. Set up your phone app on your PC. Show me. Okay, so let's get going back over here. Alright, so I will go this thing, and somewhere among this mess should be, here we go. Okay. And then open website, I guess. Not really sure. Install Dell Mobile Connect. Alright, it wants us to install another app. Alright, we will open Dell Mobile Connect. Let's start. Send receive, sure. I'm going to allow that. Hit next. Dell Mobile Connect, access your contacts, sure. Hit next. Photos, media, and files, that's fine. Next. Allow all the time, that's fine. Next. Okay, access, can Google, messaging's fine. Your phone companion. Okay, that's all fine. Hit next. Not sure what else I'm supposed to do here. Okay, you view your phone notifications on the PC. Will need your permission to access notifications. So, okay, yeah. I don't know. They can have it all. They can have it all, baby. Yeah, Bluetooth permission. This is a code for your PC. Okay. So I will put that in. There should be a code that comes up. I'm going to blur this out. Alright, and then let me get back to the PC. Alright, so I put in the code here that I received on my app. I'm going to hit next. Okay, so it says my phone just got updated, so we're going to do this. Okay, I'm going to continue. Check your PC. So hurry up, I got P. Okay, it says the product is installed. And I'm going to try to launch again on my PC. Oh, it's doing 90%. It says we're almost done. I'm going to allow here. Okay, it says you are all set. Welcome to your phone app. It says on my PC, with your phone app, everything you love about your phone is now accessible from your PC. That is pretty damn cool. I'm going to hit done on here. Help us improve. Well, I definitely will let them help improve. Your phone and PC are now linked. If you want to install this app, you might need to link your phone and PC again. That's perfectly fine. And this is all the stuff on my PC. So I'm going to go back to the PC after I pee. Okay, so in pairing, I discovered that it did pair. For some reason, this is still going, but if I go to, if I type in Bluetooth into the search, and you're going to see that it is paired. It is connected to my device, so I'm not sure what this dealio is doing, but I'm just going to close it for now. Okay. And that's what comes up, so I'm going to hit update. And hopefully some exciting things we'll get. All right, so we're going to get this your phone. Get that. And this product is installed. So we will go launch. Oh, it's still downloading your phone. This is pretty cool. It's certainly a different different experience from the last Windows install. So I hope this helps everyone else. I'm getting an error. Get more info about faster downloads. Does it say allow downloads from other PCs? That's all good and good. Let's get this. Okay. This product is installed. Your phone just got updated. Check it out. All right, so we're going to go back to the phone. Let's go here. Let's go app info. It's in here. Okay, there it is. So we had to go app info. Okay, and then permissions. And select allow and ask for access. So we'll hit open. Our links. So we'll go back here. Permissions. Allowed contacts, phone, storage, sure. Okay, we need your phone's permission to sync notifications. And allowed, denied. Call logs, okay, we'll allow. Camera, that should be interesting, we'll allow. Okay, location, that's fine, I'm not hiding from everyone. that. And then your phone companion. So I will hit that. I will allow. All right. And then future notifications. Quality. Let me show you. Okay, so welcome to your phone app. So we're going to get started. Do you want to pin your phone to the taskbar? I'm going to go yes. Oh, that's cool. My messages. That is awesome. My photos. Huh. Okay, never miss a thing. Let's get the open settings out. We need your phone's permission to sync notifications. Select open settings on phone and find your phone companion. All right, so we're just bouncing back and forth, aren't we? We're going to go back to our phone and we're going to open the settings. Okay, and then all future notifications come up here. So I just got a Facebook message from my buddy. I got a message from a friend. All set on there. And so everything that goes to my phone will now go to my PC. So that's extra special for cool. All right, and I'm just going to diminish that. I'm going to kill this. Let's see what this is. I can refresh when I want to. All right, very cool. Your phone companion. Try dismissing this on your PC. Use the X to dismiss this from your phone too. Your phone companion. You're all set. See this notification on your PC. Okay. All right. Got my messengers. Got my photos. Look at my handsome self. So I'm gonna get Chrome. Chrome. Put in Chrome. So I got that. I'm going to hit that. And we'll set up Chrome here. All right, it's going to ask you if you want to make changes. So I'm going to hit yes. Okay, beautiful. All right, let's get started. Set up your browser in a few simple steps. So I'm going to go next. And I'll just do default for now. It's fine. So Chrome is your default browser. Absolutely. Don't know if I really need that. I'm going to go here. Sync and personalize Chrome across your devices. I'm going to turn on Chrome. I'm going to put in my first email address. Okay, I'm going to hit next. Okay, I'll put in my password, which is... Okay, and finally remembered my password, so I want to sync everything. Yes, I'm in. All right. And then Sniply, social media conversion. I have no idea what any of this stuff is. Helium 10 will launch a system startup and continue to run in the background even once you close. Sign up for Loom. Holy moly, there's a bunch of stuff coming up. It's probably seeing all my stuff on my account that I use. Here. Oh, the Grammarly is installed. So this is all the stuff that it must have drawn through my Google account. Sign up for Loom. I'm already signed up. So I am going to try to use my PC cam now.
All right. All right, and we're back, and the camera's looking beautiful. And I just want to drag this over here, which is the start bar. You can just grab it from one screen, drag it to the other screen. If you have dual monitors, it's pretty easy to go ahead and set them up. So you just hit display settings. I did go out and I did buy a peripheral for my other monitor, actually. So I had a display port in the back as well. So I got a display port to HDMI adapter. Worked wonderfully, so that's all working great. And you can just go to display settings. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can switch those around if you need to, and yeah, just apply. All right, so I also fixed the pairing of my phone to the device. So really all I had to do is come over to here, just right click, go to Focus Assistant, just make sure that's off. And I just reboot everything, and then everything came up. And so let me show you exactly. It's pretty nifty. So you got actually a couple programs here. So, oops, let me drag it over here. So you got this one. So this is your phone, and it's got my notifications. I can refresh if I want notifications that haven't popped up yet. 25 degrees. Feels like 25 degrees. What the bleep? Got my messages. So I'm talking to Ellie here. Photos. Oop, she probably didn't want me to show that one. There's me smoking a cigar. It's me working at my COVID job. So, and calls. There are apps on your preventing. I actually corrected this. I'll have to go back and correct it again. And it's really if you just do this. I just turned my phone on. It was paired before. I can pair it again. It's not that difficult. So let me just show you the other one. So you can actually mirror your phone. So you can just ask for permissions on your phone to mirror it. And off right now, but you can just use it the way you want to use it. And you should be able to close out this crap. Oh, Tinder. Hey, I'm single. And voicemail. And then you can get into stuff that you need to get in on your phone without actually touching your physical phone. Yeah, I haven't tried to make calls yet, but I'm sure it can be done. And then there's just files again, pictures and things. And messages again. It's just another, just like this other program, my phone. Basically the same concept. All right, so that is pretty cool, guys and gals. And then, yeah, just it's business as usual. And I know there was a little hiccup in between videos. And if you made it through this whole video, I'd be surprised. It was kind of a learn as I go kind of deal. So if you made it through the video, thank you very much. And if you could like, share, or subscribe, that would be helpful. If you have any questions about any of this, just shoot them below and I'll answer them for you. It wasn't a succinct pattern of events as far as setting it up, but it was pretty close to the actual things that I did in a row. I might have skipped a step here and there as far as the video is concerned as I was going. So just let me know, guys. I'll answer whatever you need. I'll make a video, whatever you need. Any questions, I'll give you the answers to, okay? All right, I do appreciate you. I thank you very much, and I will catch you later. Once again, please subscribe, like, join, and it's really going to help the channel as it grows, okay? Thank you now. Take care.